Today, I'm going to show you how to make roti, which is a common Nepali side dish. It's really simple and fast to make, and I'm gonna have help from my mom, who will be down here shortly. And yeah, let's get started. You will need all-purpose flour. I'm using whole wheat just because it's a little bit healthier. Canola or vegetable oil to fry in and also to use for the dough. Some tongs to be able to pick out the bread when we're frying it, and a pan that's deep enough to be able to fry like thin pieces, like pancake thin pieces of bread. And we're also going to use water to be able to make the dough. You're going to take your flour, whatever desired amount you want. I decided to use 1.5 cups in your mixing bowl, and then you're going to add water. I started out with a 3/4 cup of water, and then you're going to knead the dough and add more water until it is a thick and sturdy texture, just like this. All right, here's the end texture that you want. As you can see, it's squishy and sturdy, and this was after about 3/4 cup of water, or like 1 cup. So I'd say about 1 cup of water for 1.5 cups of flour is a good mixture. This amount of dough will give you about 13 rotis if you want to go less or more. So next step, I'm gonna take my dough and separate it, roll it into little balls. They don't have to be crazy smooth, about this size, as you can see against my palm. Gotta get more vegetable oil, so stay safe with gloves and a mask. All right, we're gonna heat our oil. Make sure you have enough so that you can fry well on both sides at high temperature for the beginning so it gets hot. Using a little oil, flatten it out first so it doesn't stick, and then take your rolling pin and we're going to smooth it out like this. Get it to about this shape compared to my hand.
Here.
And prepare a plate with some paper towels for after frying. When it is hot and steaming, take your dough and carefully place it in the oil. Do not drop it because it'll burn. And as you can see, it cooks pretty fast. So it's bubbling and you're gonna wanna flip it. It poofs up, and after about 10 seconds on each side, it'll be ready. When you pick it up, shake it so the oil drips come off and place it in. And now you are all done. Super easy. And you can use this to dip in curry or veggies or have with meat.